Alright, here we go. Welcome everybody. It's for the Panini Certified 2010 break. It is March 4th at 8:47 p.m. Eastern Time. The box is factory sealed. And now to open it. Checklist, packs, empty box. Right, so box number one, pack number one, I should say. Frank Gore, 49ers, New Generation, Jason Werlitz for the Steelers, numbered 394 out of 999. Filler. Chad Ochocinco for the Bengals. Lawrence Maroney for the Patriots. And Devon Bess for the Dolphins. Pack 2. Sean Green for the Jets. New Generations, Rusty Smith. Autographed, it says Isaiah 41:10 on the autograph. Mirror red, numbered 193 out of 250. Nice card. Another filler. Kyle Orton for the Broncos, Josh Cribbs for the Browns, and Drew Brees for the Saints. Next pack. Michael Crabtree for the 49ers. Donovan McNabb for the Redskins. We have a dual jersey autograph, freshman fabrics for Armonte Edwards for the Panthers, numbered 254 out of 699. Steve Breston for the Cardinals. Dallas Clark for the Colts, and Anquan Bolden for the Ravens. Next pack is Troy Polamalu for the Steelers. Certified Potential, Javid Best for the Lions, numbered 974 out of 999. Another filler card. Jonathan Stewart for the Panthers, Maurice Jones-Drew for the Jaguars, and Jay Cutler for the Bears. Let's see, next pack we have Chris Johnson for the Titans, Antoine Randall L. for the Steelers, Hines Ward Prime Patch, Fabrics of the Game, numbered 8 of 50. Steelers, that's a nice card. 2 colors. Bryant Hartline for the Dolphins, Hakeem Nicks for the Giants, and Bernard Berrien for the Vikings. Next pack. Steven Jackson for the Rams. New Generations, Riley Cooper for the Eagles, numbered 525 out of 999. Filler card. Matt Schaub for the Texans, Marion Barber III for the Cowboys, and Brandon Jacobs for the Giants. Got Brent Selleck for the Eagles, Julius Jones for the Seahawks, Phillip Rivers, Fabric of the Games, relic card, 1 color, numbered 234 out of 250. Lee Evans for the Bills, Jamal Charles for the Chiefs, and Ryan Grant for the Packers. 3 packs left. Jericho Cotchery for the Jets. Brian Hartline, Mirror Red, numbered 153 out of 250. Filler card. Cedric Benson for the Bengals, Ray Lewis for the Ravens, and Mike Thomas for the Jaguars. We have Brian Westbrook for the 49ers, Santonio Holmes for the Jets. Is this our fourth hit? 1, 2, 3, 4. This is our fifth hit. Wow, 5 in this box. Certified Potential, Colt McCoy, numbered 248 out of 250. 5 hits in a box is not bad. Visanthe Shenko for the Vikings, Noshan Moreno for the Broncos, and Matt Forte for the Bears. Last pack, we have Phillip Rivers for the Chargers, Matt Hasselbeck, looks like mirror gold, 8 of 25 for the Seahawks, filler card. Tim Hightower for the Cardinals, Aaron Rodgers for the Packers, and Michael Jenkins for the Falcons. And that will conclude this box break with 5 hits instead of the normal 4. That's pretty cool.